Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Okay, so this is obviously a movie room. It's at the Ashton. It's really pretty. This is one of the most ornate rooms I've ever seen for this. Now you can see you've got, it's like 15 chairs. 15 chairs here, and you've got a really nice movie screening right here. So you can have a really great event in this movie screening area. This is literally one of the best, if not the best, I've ever seen of this kind of amenity in all of Texas. It's very special. It's a screen, by the way. It's a projector that's going to project the image there. Very, very cool. You've got obviously some, get to see some speakers there. It's going to be some great sound in here too. I see speakers on the wall. So this is going to be a fun place. You can just take your friends and have a party and, screen a movie. What a cool event that would be. Hey, so you can have up to 18 people here in this movie screening area. If you have any questions about it, send me a text. Just use the number below. And now we're about to go see a couple of other amenities.